Okay, I've got my items. Oh shoot, but they're everywhere. Want this? The one behind me? This one right there. You saw me. Take it. I'll let you out. Get in there. Hello. Hey, that. There's a zombie. So I have to get my car here. Take this, you guys. Take that. Take that. Take that. I'm hitting him. Why is it not? Okay, you know what? I need to get some of my other stuff here. Hook shotgun. Oh shoot. Ah! Take that. This thing is powerful. This thing is loud and powerful. Huh? Hey, what are you guys at? You know what I'm gonna do? I think I know what to do to get the food in here. We're gonna have to break this, break that, grab our food, get that out of the way, get this giant thing out of the way. Come on, get out the way. And let's grab our food. Our cereal. Yeah, I got cereal. We're gonna be eating it for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. There. Stay in there. There. We got one box of cereal. Oh no, they're breaking in the back, aren't they? 2 boxes of cereal. And 3 boxes of cereal. There. Oh no. Oh no, you don't. Get back in there. Alright, let's go. Oh, cereal boxes are all in there. Alright, let's go home. Let's go home. Let's go home. Oh god. Oh no. Whoopsies. Whoopsies. I did not mean to do that. Okay, but you know, it's the zombie apocalypse. It's fine. Maybe not for my vehicle. Okay, let's do this. Get all of this tree litter out of the back of my car. Let's get the red box. You get in there. We got open. Stay open though. You'll stay open. Red box. Let's just put it on the table. Just put you on the table, red box. Boom. But you know what I want to do? You know what I want to do, right? I want to fix this whole zombie situation. I want to kill all of them, if that makes sense to you. Kill all of them. So that I don't have to live in this. And the remaining people, which there's only about 1 billion of them left, can survive and live in peace. And produce more, so that more people will be around. Nuke remote. Let's see. Place it on that guy. Is that my bed? What? Oh. Oh my god. My computer will hate me. I think that did it though. My computer is really laggy right now. My computer's gonna go boom. Okay, just give my computer a second. 10 seconds? 90 seconds? Oh my god, did it disintegrate my house? No, please don't. Please don't tell me it did. No, it broke my house. But hey, on the bright side, on the bright side, we destroyed all of the zombies. My cereal boxes. Anyways, make sure to like and subscribe. Bye. I keep forgetting the other one.